Ciao a tutti da Luca from channel Dolce Vita and welcome back to our new playlist, Everyday Italian 100 Useful Expressions. So in this video we're learning an expression which is very useful if you want to visit a new place, a new town. So you ask some locals for advice. The expression in English would be, what do you recommend to see and to visit in the center? In Italian would be, cosa mi consigli di visitare in centro, in città, in town? So, cosa mi consigli di visitare in centro or in città? How do you find this? Easy? Difficult? Let us know. You can comment, you can share. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget that we have other videos. We have a playlist, Italian in 30 days. And if you want, you have the option of getting the workbook to revise all the lessons and practice. You will find all the links in the description of this video. All right? So I hope to see you soon. As for now, ti auguro una bellissima giornata. I wish you a wonderful day. Ciao.